If you use Alipay for payments or Alipay for transfer, you need to stay tuned to this video and see important thing you need to enable in order to have cashback reward for every transaction you make with Alipay. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, IDP, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you update your Alipay to the latest version. If you are using Android phone, just go to your Play Store. So go to your Play Store on your Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, make sure you go to your App Store. Then on getting to your Play Store on Android, click on search. So on getting to your App Store on iPhone, click on search also, and make sure you come to the search engine right there and type in Alipay. And make sure you search. Then here, you see update right here. What you want to do is to make sure you click on updates. After you have successfully download and install the update, next thing you need to do is to click on open. So the next thing we want to do is to click on this main icon right here. Click on accounts, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do, let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to payment settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to benefit usage. What you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular Alipay use points. Once you turn it on, this is credit points offset. So click on it and check it out. For every time you are spending 2001 yuan, you are getting 2 points, 10 yuan as a cashback reward, and all the reward is going to be back to your Alipay balance or to the bank card that you bank with your Alipay. You can see a supported bank right here, and each bank has their own cashback reward limit, such as 1,000 yen, 3,000 yen, 1,400 yen, etc. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Alipay trick and tricks, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.